It's not. Oh my gosh. Is it working on? Can you see my screen on YouTube? I don't think so. It is. Okay, now it is working. Still showing me a error, even though I'm still live. I'm live. It's giving me error. Who cares, right? I can't even see how many of you live right now on YouTube. It's really making me annoying a little bit because nothing is clear. Anyways, hello Kai, hello Ali, hello guys, hello Jazz, hello. Honestly, I can't pronounce everyone's name, so I will just say hello. All right. And yeah, thank you for being here. Just give me a minute. The thing is, I want it to work on everywhere and perfectly fine, so anyone can watch it without any problem. Just bear with me a few minutes. I see your screen and also hear you. Awesome. Okay, so let me just share the link of this live. Give me a minute in the group so my members can join. Okay, I don't want anyone to miss it. The thing is, now everyone will get live notification from me because they're on in my friend list. I can't have more than 5,000. I already have 9,931 friends. I know it's a lot, and most of them are fake IDs. That's why I have 1,000 friend requests as well pending. It's just making me crazy when I think how I'm gonna manage those. How was your day, guys? Tell me where you're watching it from. You know, it's good to know where people watching me from, and mining cost would be higher than reason. I know OP Invest. I don't know what your name is. The thing is, mining cost is not about that always. Okay, you need to understand something. Is there was a time with gold, real gold, the mining profits were less than the cost, but some companies were still mining, and later on the price went up. The end of the day, some companies think long term. Those who came like long time ago, they still made a lot of profit already. So it's not just all about the mining price. I know about the delisted of futures. I've said that already in my group. People said, do you have any proof? I didn't have any proof. Okay, below 55800, yeah, it will be below 100 million or whatever it is. So yeah, there are a few stuff that we need to keep in mind. That's what people want. Okay, that's what big guys want. They want people to think Bitcoin is dead so they can buy cheap. People will sell only Bitcoin when they lose hope. The hope, go back in 2014. It's all about emotions. Steven, have a good day, man. So it's all about emotions right now. Okay, the market works in emotion. Emotion 2014, 13 were the same, and now they are the same. Okay, market is based on emotion of people, how they manage trades and do things. Okay, so you need to keep in mind things. History does repeat. Most of the time, it does repeat. It's gonna do this not exact same thing, but there are high chances it's gonna do the same shit. Okay, we breaking 6400. Here we go. Boom! We broke 6450 in the live. This is amazing. All right, this is amazing to see. I was looking at this at 15 minutes just a few minutes ago before coming live. I said I should go short because I can see one more leg down coming. The thing is, it never broke 6800 clearly. I have been saying, I have updated in my group that we have a rising wedge, we have a down, and this 6800 still in bearish trend and work great with the trend. Amazing candle. Okay, I want big like this. Okay, I want big red candle like this. Right now, this is the zone around now is Bitcoin to test 6260, around that level, 6260 to test that. But we wanna see if it's just a fake out or if we're gonna close below 6450. That's the thing. Okay, until we doesn't close, it won't count as a break. Okay, we need to close the candle below 6400. Okay, we already below it, but we need to close about below that to make sure, okay, we're gonna close there. Okay, it's all about learning, guys. I know many people, they lost a lot more money by gambling in the market rather than this. They could spend 5% of that just to buy a good course or find a mentor who can teach them. The people don't want to go that way. They want easy way to make money. Nothing is easy, my friend. Nothing is easy. Okay, keep that in mind. Nothing is easy. You need to invest in your education first. The thing is, there is one picture I shared. Let me just get that picture for you. Okay, I want to explain you the concept. Okay, forget Bitcoin. What happened? We already knew if we don't break this, Bitcoin. I drew this line like from last 3 lives I did. So I said Bitcoin rejected one here, twice, 3 times, almost there, 4 times, and 5 times rejected. And now we came even here by last night, and we did a fake out, like massive fake out. And that was kind of confirmation that next day, today we're going down. The thing is, I didn't buy Bitcoin because I was waiting for a clear break and didn't give me any break. So why would I jump in an unclear break when I have no real direction? And now I see real direction. Keep it coming, baby. The thing is, until we are holding these support levels 5800, anything can happen. We can make a higher low. Remember, there is one thing you need to see. Buyers loves to buy pullbacks on higher lows. Okay, buyers wants higher low. Whoever missed it, they would like to wait for higher lows. For example, if we get higher low around 6200 to 6250, if we get a higher low there, and buyers somehow jump in a big spike or whatever happens, okay, I will see. I don't know what's gonna happen. I want the chart to show me, okay, it's worth buying at this point. Okay, right now it doesn't show me anything that I should buy. The only thing is this market goes one way. Okay, there's no point talking about selling because I'm not here to sell. I don't have anything to sell. I have my small long-term position, 40% that I didn't sell is in my ledger. I don't care, even goes to 1k. Okay, whatever I wanted to cash out, I already did. Okay, for now I'm just waiting for real direction. Okay, market to show me I really wanna go up. Okay, I really wanna go bullish break, and yeah, that's it. Thank you, Sunny. So just give it time. Just give it time and wait for the good entry. Okay, that's all you need. Don't rush, don't FOMO. If you're in my group, if not, there is a link at the top of this video. I've been saying, don't rush. This market isn't going anywhere. It will. The bear market like this, the strong bear market, does not just go bullish instantly. It needs accumulation phase. It needs to make people think, okay, this is dead. Okay, kind of that thing. All right, kind of that thing. Go check last year altcoin chart. All right, look at the accumulation phase. All right, Bitcoin is the same thing. If all stock do the same thing, they're going accumulation phase as well. Like things, you need that. You need in the market. There's 4 stages. There's accumulation, uptrend, distribution, and then downtrend. Okay, and then accumulation phase. It's just starts. There is a cycle that you need to just wait for it. It will keep happening and happening. And yeah, in the meantime, I really want to get out of the crypto for now. Like take my mind out. It's just a con. It's just a virus, a drug. I don't know what it is, but it is something that keep making me stay in this shit. Like seriously, guys, I've been to a doctor yesterday. I want something that I can control my mind. Okay, even though I don't want to buy, I don't want to do anything. I'm not doing anything in crypto for now, but still it just keeps me attached with it like strongly. I don't know why. Okay, even though I said to myself, I want to go to Forex and do that shit. All right, we got a decent daily signal here. on your USD. Let's see what happens. The thing is, I wanna do forex, and it's just amazing. The things go. The thing is, it just works very well. Look, I had a alert here when the market touches here. I got the alert, but the thing is, I was 2 hours late. I woke up, I turned my PC on, I missed the trade. I would have made amazing gains here, like amazing gains, but I missed this at this point. Okay, it was around here. I said, nah, I don't want to catch, because I want to see my risk and reward. My target wouldn't be here, and this wouldn't be a good risk and reward for me. I want to risk less, make more. So that's all. Is the thing is, if you really want to know how technical analysis work, you need to go in forex, learn from forex traders or something like that, because being in crypto, you will only think it's all crap, like you will only want to get bullish. Okay, but forex, it's not like that. You will see a clear both sideways. Okay, it's not about forex. This live is not about forex, but I just want to give you idea. Forex works both sides, and people have amazing mind there because they think both ways. In crypto, people want to think one way. It does not work that way. Okay, think both side. Hodl moon. Yeah, let's hodl it and let's go to moon. Check Encash. Encash, I will check it. Give me a second, please. Yeah, what I was doing is, let me just drink a water. Okay, I found the picture right now here. Okay, I found the picture that I wanted to share. I will do altcoin technical analysis in a bit as well, because if you don't know, I have a course that I made for education. I had a great response. Many members, they really liked it and doing it well. You know, I already shared the inbox that I got. So basically, in this picture, what does it says is, you need to have a money and education to grow, to see a clear picture. You can't just have a lot of money and jump in crypto and then destroy, like waste all of it. Or you can't just have knowledge. You need to have both money and knowledge. Okay, if you got nothing, you are blind. If you see that picture, try to understand what does it says. You need to have money and the knowledge. If you have £1,000, okay, at least invest $200 on education minimum. Okay, invest that. Find a good person that have know what she's doing, and find a course like the person have. Like, I don't want the people think that I really want them to join my course, my education group. No, not really. I still do. Last week I bought one course that I've been following that person for a long time. I watched his free videos and it was pretty good. I said, let me see what I can get from him. I invest in education even though I didn't watch his course yet. I have so many courses that pending still. The thing is, I don't really get much time, and it's too much to consume. At the same time, I need some space to consume more knowledge. I have my notebooks full of there's one notebook is full with the notes of trading or technical analysis. That's how you learn. You can't just learn watching videos. You need to do a lot of practice and practical and things like that. You can't just learn without doing anything, without investing in it. I see many people look for signals. Like, this is a short-term game for signals. You won't be surviving much longer. Okay, in bear market, those signal provider will destroy your ass so bad. Like, you'll give back whatever you made already. Askar Bashir, may I know what's funny, bro? I don't understand. Alright guys, is there any question you want me to reply on, or if you have anything you wanna ask? Alright, okay Cash, I will do okay Cash. No, okay, I will do 5 altcoin of your choice. Join our Facebook group, the link is under this video. And yeah, bulls are trying hard to cover this, but hey, what can we do when we have nothing to do? Anyways, we have Encash. I'll do 3 coins from Facebook and 2 coins from YouTube. Encash. There was Encash. I already did Encash earlier. Alright, let me just go to Bitcoin again and give a short overview, because it wasn't, I think, too clear for you guys yet. Because I already been talking about this. It's been a while. I've been talking about this already, so there's nothing much to say for now. We have this zone 6250 that I'm expecting to hold a little bit. If bull have any strength, bulls, they're pretty much gonna try to hold this zone. This is the main key right now for us after 6450, 6250. The thing is, market has been creating some decent minor support areas. If we hold those minors, we may see a higher low and then move up to break 6800 again, and that will be probably something that I will be interested in. But for now, is breaking 6400. This isn't a good thing. Even though 6250 is our big level. Based on this we have a lot of support here, and that's why if you see here, we have a lot of support at this area here, and that's why I'm expecting this to hold. If it doesn't hold, if we break 6k again, then I don't even expect to it hold 5800. If we break 6k again, I don't even expect it to hold 5800 again. So yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. ETC Classic. There's so many coins today. Let's go to Encash first. I have been requested Encash. It's breaking down. It's keep making higher lows. If you guys see, it never broke a uptrend. Downtrend. I mean, it never broke a downtrend. It faked out. And it's keep making a lower highs, and now if Encash break this 180 roughly, then you can expect a hell for it. Okay, I don't know where the next support is. There's no next support. If it breaks this, then I don't know, there's no level to say where it's gonna stop next. Okay, okay, Cash. Okay, Cash. Wow. It's sitting at a hope, honestly. It's sitting at a hope because this is a recent support that I created. And right now, if it breaks this, if it breaks 940 Satoshi, then you can expect, I don't know. Yeah, if we go down, then these levels around 500 Satoshi, in my opinion, around that area. Yeah, around that. It's just possibilities are unlimited here. Right, anything can happen. So I wouldn't say anything for sure. Oh my god, I remember this coin here around 4,000, 3,800. I was buying here because I was expecting a big move, but it never happened. It's keep making higher lows here. If you see, higher low. No, sorry, lower highs. I'm keep confusing myself, you know, and you guys. It's keep making each high is lower than the previous one. So that's what in simple what it means. Each high is lower than the previous one, so it's keep making lower highs, and lower highs, and it made a lower low, breaking down here. Alright, after breaking this, it made a lower low, and that is the coin that will go down like this. Look, it went to so down. It went in 2016 prices, man. 2016 prices. That's crazy. Honestly, that's just something. That is a madness. Alright, now there's so many coins. So what I'll do is I will do the most asked ones. Stratis, there's nothing much honestly in that. I already explained. Nothing changed. DGB DGB is interesting. I the course I have, we have a small chat group, and there is a guy, the member, who asked me about DigiByte. What should I do with DigiByte? What I said to him is that DigiByte, this is the chart I was drawing yesterday for him, and can you see it exactly came fake out from 618 fib level, and that confirmed that we're going down, even though it gave us a 622 retest. But after I saw this candle daily, I had in my mind, now it's not going to go up anymore. Okay, and smart money sold again here. Okay, Noob thought it's just a pullback. It wasn't. It's a top. Okay, look at the selling volume. All big guys has sold their DGBR on the top. Now big money is gone. Now on the noob, slowly gonna sell. That's what happens in the market. That's how it works. If you go lower time frame, what I said to him, as soon as we break a 1 hour low, higher low, get out. Okay, we broke 1 hour high low here, and I told him to get out even here, and you can always get out from 600 break. But this was a first break that a small support, very minor support. It broke here, the trend line broke here. It was a signal to get out. Trend line break, and we had a bearish engulfing here, trend line break, and the support break. There's 3 reasons why you can sell it, because it was going up crazy. Any selling sign would take it down, and it did. So it was a good sign. 650 was a sale, even though it was struggling here. But hey, that's what happens. If you don't know what you're doing, you will lose. Okay, if you want to maximize your profit, if you want to maximize your profit and cut your losses, how to do those things is you need to learn. And if you don't learn, you're never gonna be much successful. And what I told him, it needs a retest of 630 to 500 to 630. I can show you the chart. I said to 2 people, I got 2 inbox because I was going crazy. I said it needs a retest. It was going up so crazy after the breakout. It did break out the flag pattern, but it did never retest the flag pattern. And right now it is at the point where I was waiting for it to come. And now honestly it doesn't give me enough confidence to buy after yesterday closed. Okay, it all matters. Even I said I will be buying at 530, but yesterday candle is not giving me any confidence to buy. If it goes up, so what? I'll miss it. I have ETC twice. Let me do ETC. ETC broke the support again after this. This wasn't a good sign, honestly. I wasn't expecting for ETC to do that, but hey, I didn't buy yet, so what? It didn't close it yet, guys. Don't be so quick to judge anything. It did not close the daily candle below the the support yet. It can always recover up, but if you see, we have a weakness sign. All right, look at this. We have a RSI diversion giving us a signal that all right, this market is a weak. This was a fake out here. If you see, the market is going up, but the RSI is showing us that the market is weak. This breakout is weak and struggling to hold it. And this is what we call, that is how I use RSIs. I use for divergence. It gave me amazing divergence. At first, last night when my education group member told me that ETC broke support, I said, it just broke it. It can be always fake out. Let's see if it closed. But right now I'm just seeing that it was a a fake breakout, and RSI gave us divergent. It does not mean it's 100% fake out until it doesn't close. We still have, this is the support. Forget that. It can always come down here and go up again. This is our high low right now. This is our high low. We need to keep an eye on at 2500, right? As 0.0025 Satoshi is our support. Okay, this is just a move up, is coming down to test it. Is nothing. This is a minor zone. Yeah, it is bouncing from here. So there's nothing changed yet. Okay, I wouldn't say anything changed yet because we are still holding our higher low. People don't understand it. This is, I paid to learn this. Seriously, I paid to learn this. Before, for me, it was only any small higher low. It was high low for me. But right now, I know what is really high low for me. What's the strong one? How to do things. I paid for to learn these things. I bought many courses for myself to learn it because I really love to learn and I love to invest in education rather than just investing money to lose. Because I can make the money easily, because when you learn how to make money the right way, you can use the education and make the money back easily. Okay, so what else is there? ETC, yes, it's gonna list in months, but there is no time when it's gonna be, right? But I'm a trader, I'm not an investor, guys. Try to understand this. I am a trader, not an investor. I will trade based on the charts, not what the news actually says. News is a bonus for me. News is a bonus for me to make good profit. And the thing is, we need newbies to buy at the resistance level, so our resistance, the market can reach to our resistance levels. Okay, that's the point. Anyways, so what is the SE? We already have SE here, probably. No, SE BTC. Okay, so it's doing nothing. He's doing nothing for now. As long as it holds those support levels, that's fine. Overall, if you see a break of 120, then there is a problem. For now, isn't a big problem. Okay, 110 to 120 is a area where it can basically, yeah, after breaking this, it's gonna test this. Okay, after breaking the 150, whatever, it's 55, 150, 55, gonna break this and test around 120 to 110. If it does hold this, that's fine. If it doesn't, then probably is gonna be very risky. It can go any lower. Okay, it can have anything can happen here. These are the shit coin. They work on hype, panic selling, all that stuff. And these are low Satoshi coins. Noobs loves to buy this with the hype. So I wouldn't say anything what really gonna happen, because things do change in these type of coins. Technical really do very amazing job in high volume coins. But for now, that's why I'm not interested to buy. So it does not matter to me until I don't see anything good. I won't buy it. What is there? DRX. You know, in Forex, the way people think in Forex is they think both sides. Okay, we wait for a breakout. When I post something, is I'm looking for a break either of 66.50 or 64.50. It means that I'm looking for a clear break. So either you can go either side. I will buy at the breakout, or will wait for the breakout and the retest. But what people think, those noobs, like they're never gonna do anything in their life. Honestly, the way they think that, oh, this expert says it can go both sides. Of course it can. No one knows where it's exactly gonna go, because I showed you guys that Bitcoin is giving us rejection from both sides. Bulls are giving us rejection that they don't want to go down. Bears are giving us rejection that is they won't let the market to go up. So what do you want me to do? I want to wait for a clear break to show who got the most strength. It just does not make sense the way people think that the market works. It doesn't work on what we say. Technical analysis does not tell us the future. They only give us the history or what's happening right now, who got the control in the market. Okay, technical analysis is not a future tool. Okay, it's not a future machine that give us future. Okay, it's just a give us a market feedback and what's happening in the market right now and the past history, and we trade based on history because everyone follow that, and that's why market reacts on those levels. Hope you get it now. Okay, TRX. Who remembers this? Who remembers this? I have been saying from where, I don't even remember myself, but this, it was around here I think, and then I said, I drew this zone. I said I'm expecting it to come down this zone, and it's doing it. You know, it's all about patience. You need to wait for the market to give you best entry possible. Wait for it to give it best entry. Don't just jump without nothing. Like, don't just jump in the market, right, without enough knowledge or knowing where you're buying at. People buy here just they think it's gonna go up. By the end of the day, look what's happening. We have one minor level around 500. We have then around 4. It's quite low, honestly. I'm expecting a level around 4, below 500. Honestly, if we don't break, if we don't hold 500, then you can expect anything. Okay, you can even expect a level of 400. Anything can happen here. So, but 400 is very strong one. We have a lot of things going on in 400. 400 makes it very strong. If you see, we have a lot of things going on in 400 zone. This is all 400 zone. 400. This is 430. So let's see where it's gonna hold. But ultimately, even though it comes to 400, this is our major point to hold, is around where? It's around 317. Alright, 315 we need to hold to keep it in bullish trend, like a major one. Right, is for now is doing shit all. If it doesn't hold 317, then you can expect a 200 stop, next stop. If it doesn't hold 300, 200 and lower, whatever it's gonna do, but it is gonna do some shitty stuff. It doesn't hold 400 and then 317. You have two hopes. Right, TRX is done. There isn't any volume, guys. If there's no volume, you can't do anything. We are in summer. Try to understand. History repeats. Summer has been dead for crypto, altcoin. Look at this. The volume isn't there. So what do you want the market to do for you? Nothing. It can't pump. Encash, I already done Encash, so I won't be doing that anymore. But where is BTC? Not that, BCH USD. Bitfinex, Coinbase. It's coming down again after making double top. Honestly, this all BCH, uh, Ethereum, Litecoin, they follow Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes down, they will go down as well. $600 is your last hope in BCH, right? $600. If it doesn't hold 650, it needs to hold 650. If it doesn't hold 650, your last hope is 600. After that, it will be going to hell, in simple words. I already done BCH, so you need to for it to hold. I think, yeah, this is an old chart because it listed in Coinbase a pretty late time. We didn't see a past history. Let me see what else is there in any other exchange. Bitfinex, Coinbase, Kraken. Where did it list it first? Let's check Poloniex. What it says. We have some levels here. Or after 600 break, you can expect around 300, 350 area. But this is a pretty strong zone. It needs to hold that 650 to 600 and should hold that level. If it doesn't, then anything can happen up to 300 to 350 with BCH. Why ETH follow BTC? The reason why ETH follow BTC, because all Coinbase coins, all of them, the big coins on Coinbase, they follow each other. Now they follow Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the main thing, and right, like it wasn't following it, but now they do. The reason is it's just because the whole market is based on Bitcoin. People, I've been saying, it's all about emotions. It's the emotion games, and it's in people's mind that right now everyone have same mindset based on this, that if Bitcoin dumps, Ethereum will dump, LTC. Check it out. If you don't believe me, find it yourself. From last 2 months, 3 months, check it yourself. You will find out. Alright, my mom's speaking loud. So what I'm saying is that yeah, they do follow Bitcoin, all big ones. I don't know why, but this is how it's working. Okay, I'm not saying that it will follow the whole life until Bitcoin in future as well. That's what I mean. In future it won't follow it, maybe not, but right now these days it is following Bitcoin movements. Ethereum goes down when Bitcoin goes down. Ethereum goes up when Bitcoin goes up. Same thing with Litecoin. Same thing. BCH I didn't follow much, but Ethereum and Litecoin really follow Bitcoin. Anik already did ETC. You can go watch it. You can rewatch the live again when I'm finished. So that's it, guys. Let me do Hindi Urdu 5 minutes overview, and yeah, I'll see you guys in next live. I'll do EOS for you. One second. Guys, feel free to share this live if you think it helped you for some. Like, I'm doing free, you know, I'm giving you a lot of free time. I can do a lot of my own stuff in this time, but I like to help others. Alright, EOS. I already did EOS. Oh yeah, EOS is amazing. I messaged today, yesterday night before sleeping, I messaged a friend. I said, bro, EOS is to the moon, because the guy did not believe me. Alright, he did not believe me that EOS will destroy this way, because I told him to sell at the top. He sold in the lows. He was in very good profit. He sold in the lows because I told him Harun, it wasn't for me. It was for my cousin that came in our house. If I was my it wasn't for me. My mom was saying for my cousin to eat in. It's fine. It's your own house. Things like that. So what I was saying to my friend is to sell here, because the chart does not look good. It doesn't give me any decent sign that it wants to break high. It was weak. It was very weak, and he told me to buy hold for 2000. He's gonna go moon. He's gonna go this, that. Honestly, he was saying that to me. I'm not making fun of him. I'm just telling him how people think these days. Okay. He said it is big news, big investor. The money is in the wallet, 95%. This, that. I said I don't care whatever the news is, whatever's happening. I will see what the chart is saying. All right, now what you telling me or others will. At first we broke this trend line and crashed it bad. At first we had a fake out, then a big rejection, and then a breakdown again. Then we had consolidation here, and then a breakup. But finally couldn't hold. And what big guys did, if you see red volumes, like big green red candles trying to, and the market tried to hold a lot but it couldn't, and now it's keep breaking. This was our first minor support. Then I said it may hold here based on this past history. It tried to hold here a little bit, and this is the first time I came live. I did analysis on EOS. What I said is I even said 2 days ago, 8th July, if you watch my video, 1, 2, these 3 rejection shows that we're going down. Right, it does not have enough buyers to push the market up. There's more sellers than buyers, and then after this break it confirms that we're going down, and market try to hold it, and yeah, it breaks it again, and then boom. All right, market may test this zone now. It can come and test it and see if it's gonna push down. This is a decent level to play a bounce, a bounce, and then for further down if it goes down. But ultimately you want to look for it to hold 5,000 Satoshi. You want it to hold 5,000 Satoshi. All right, it should not break that. Right, the disaster will be there after that. So this is the level I'm looking for. If you really want to buy, it's around 10,000 Satoshis. 10,000 Satoshis. Yeah, 10,000 Satoshis. Around that level, just below 10,000 Satoshi, 9,500. If you see a break of that, then that's a decent level to get some. But now there's nothing here, no support. Now I'm like, the thing is, we need to look for the reason the support is or resistance, the better it is. Remember this, right? All these things that I learned is I paid for them. Honestly, I paid for the courses that gave me these old tips. Before that, I was just assuming myself and making stuff like I was making minor mistake, but they cost me a lot. Right? Then I learned the hard way, because investing in education, it helps you and it gives you money back at some point. It helps you to recover the education money easily. So what I'm saying is right now is based on this high low, I'm expecting market come here and give us a sign of a small bounce. If we would have came here directly, and then we would have got a decent big bounce, but right now is already making a lower high, then a small bounce is expected. There's so many things you learn with experience. You can't no one can teach you. All right, each and everything, it's just impossible to explain everything. It just comes with experience. That's cool, Arun. I don't mind. Fatima, hello. Alright guys, thank you very much for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in next live. Let me go in Hindi Urdu and just do a short video so they can understand as well what's happening in the market. Alright, let's go to Bitcoin and do it. Hello everyone. कैसे हो सब लोग? मज़ा आ रहा होगा बिटकॉइन को देख के? रोता होगा। तो बिटकॉइन को मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था कि वॉल्यूम बहुत ज़्यादा लो है, ठीक है। मैं मेरी सारी वीडियो आप देखोगे तो आप मैं कंफ्यूज किया था। तो सेम थिंग है, ये पहले मैं फेक है, इस टाइम हुआ है उस तरीके से शायद 250 लेवल अगर बुल्स में कुछ स्ट्रेंथ है तो ये लाइक डेंजर है एक बिटकॉइन के लिए। तो अगर नीचे क्लोज होते हैं, ये भी हो सकता है कि एंड ऑफ द डे अभी बहुत टाइम पड़ा है, मार्केट रिकवर करके 6450 के ऊपर क्लोज हो जाए तो गुड साइन है बिटकॉइन के लिए। फॉर नाउ बुल्स वीक लग रहे हैं, ठीक है, मुश्किल है। और क्या ये भी हो सकता है कि हम नीचे आके यहाँ पे एक डबल बॉटम बना के वापस ऊपर जाएं, बट मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा। मैं अगर 6 के ब्रेक होता है, ठीक है, 6 के ब्रेक होता है तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ ये लेवल ब्रेक हो जाए शायद इजीली। नेक्स्ट टाइम अब जब नीचे आएगा ये मुश्किल है होल्ड करे। अगर बिटकॉइन यहाँ आता है, ठीक है, आज 6200 6250 टेस्ट कर जाता है, टुमारो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ 6400 टू 6450 टेस्ट करे, एक ग्रीन कैंडल दे हमें कल और नीचे पे वापस नीचे आके ब्रेक करे। क्योंकि अगर ये नीचे आता गया, रेड कैंडल देता गया बड़ी, तो मुश्किल है एकदम इतना नीचे आना। हमें एक मूव अप चाहिए, फिर नीचे स्लोली, जितना स्लोली आएगा यहाँ इजी होगा इसे ब्रेक करना। जितना तेज़ी से गिरेगा उतना मुश्किल होगा। पता क्या होता है, जब वो मार्केट गिरती है ना, जब यहाँ से गिरती है फिर थोड़ी रिकवरी मांगती है, थोड़ा होल्ड मांगती है, फिर वो गिरती है। तो ऐसी बात है। तो फ़िलहाल अभी कोई खास नहीं कह सकते, कुछ ग्रेट नहीं लग रहा, तो वेट कर लेते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है। और हाँ, बस वेट करें। डेली कैंडल को 6450 के नीचे क्लोज होती है, 6400 रफली। तो कल देखते हैं क्या होता है। कल अगर रीटेस्ट करती है मार्केट 6200 टू 6250, दैन लेग अप एंड देन डाउन। और मैंने आपको अगर याद है, मैंने बताया था ये ट्रेंड लाइन को 6 फेक आउट करके 6 बट रीटेस्ट करके इस जोन को भी 3-4 बार रीटेस्ट किया, मार्केट ने ब्रेक नहीं कर सकी, बहुत वीक लगे बुल्स और इसने नीचे ब्रेक कर दिया। और इसी वजह से हम कल वॉल्यूम स्पाइक क्यों मिली, वो भी बहुत बड़ी सेलिंग की, रात को बहुत बड़ी कैंडल आई जिसने हमें फेक आउट दिया, बताया कि मार्केट जो है उसकी हालत बहुत बुरी है और नीचे जाना चाहती है। ये हमारा पहला सिग्नल था कि यहाँ से मार्केट नीचे जाना चाहती है। देखें वॉल्यूम स्पाइक कितनी बड़ी आई थी इसमें सेलिंग की, वो भी फेक आउट के बाद इतनी बड़ी सेलिंग आई थी। तो इस वजह से मैं रात को ही मैं कॉन्फिडेंट था कि अब इसने नीचे आना है, ऊपर जाने की चांस बहुत कम है। मेरा जो एजुकेशन में बताया था कि
रोजा रखा है किस नाल गुजारा करेगी ना कुछ नहीं खाना।
I can't stop this. There is some error I'm keep getting. It doesn't letting me stop the live. It's not letting me stop the live. The connection was through the flash server checking connection with internet. Try again later. It's working, but it's not working. So they're doing the both things. I'm still live, but it's not working. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to quit this. I can't stop it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll just quit it. Let's see if it's gonna save or not. Hopefully it does save it. getting it. There's no option that I can choose right now. Quit. Yeah. It's not even letting me quit it. Alright, let me. This is so confusing. Awesome, thank you very much.